Hello everyone, my name is Tan Horan and my matric number is 301235, and today I want to present the paper application that I have developed. So now I will start my presentation. So let us restart first the application. Okay, so in my application, there is a space screen for 3 seconds to let the user redirect to the login page. So in the login screen, we have enabled the user to log in their email, to fill in their email and the password to log in. Or if they have no account, they can register it, but they have the account, they can log in. Or they can log in as the guest account. But in the guest account, they only can use for they only can see for this, the public list of the pet, and they can see the detail, but they cannot do anything like request for adoption, donation, and they cannot see their donation and their profile. So they need to log in as their account. So I already create one account, so we log in. So in the login screen, they will check. Okay, they will check is that the email and the password is that correct. So is this is correct? Okay, they will log in as their correct account, correct user account. So after that, we go to the main screen. So in the main screen, we have the public list of the pet they have posted by other people. So we can see their name, their category, and some description of the pet. And this is their category they seek for help, like adoption, donation, and one more is help. Okay, so in this main screen, the user able to type the to search the pet by their name. Maybe I want to search husky, so HUSKY, and I press enter. So is pop up only they have not filter, they have searched by the name husky. Okay, so this is the search function. And okay, so also have the filter function. They can search, they can filter is that you want what type of the pet. So maybe have the dog, so they only list out the dog. You can see dog. And maybe you want to filter for the cat. Okay, so they will filter only have one cat for now. So you can see this is prevent there is not allowed the login not login user to submit anything. Okay, so they also have the refresh button to refresh, or to refresh to the original. They have no filter and the search keyword. Okay, so if they also have the trailing button icon that can redirect to the pet detail screen. So it can, you see the pet detail screen, so it will show the pet detail, the detail of the pet. Okay, so in the pet detail screen, if there is the type of the adoption, so they will have the button that request to adopt for user to request the adoption. But for the donation, okay, for the category of the donation, the user is able to donate the money for the pet. Okay, but for the help, there is not nothing for now. So okay, now we go for the adoption first. So in the adoption, they have list down their picture and their detail, all of the detail like gender, their age, their health, and description posted by who, and the owner phone and their email and when it is posted. So this is all created by using the helper function to simplify it, and also it also have the action button that can call and SMS, email, or WhatsApp to the uh, owner, to the person who post this pet. Okay. After that, for the request to adopt, okay, so maybe the person want to adopt this pet, so the user can press the request to adopt, and they have the short motivation message to motivate the user to adopt the pet. So the user also need to type in the reason why they want to adopt this pet. If they don't have the any reason, they press the request, but we want their reason. They need to enter some reason to request the pet, to adopt the pet. So okay, we type a small little reason. I want to. Then we can press the request. Okay, so the request is successful. Uh, so this will handle by the admin, but there's not developed yet. Okay, now we can go to the donation page to test the donation function. Okay, so Sam, they have display their what the pet image and their detail with the this action button. They're able to call, SMS, email, and the WhatsApp. Okay, so if the donation category, the user can press the donate button and they can choose which one they want to donate, the food, money, or medicine. If that is the food, the donation amount input field will not be able to press and input any value. So, and they need to write some description for them. So maybe we want to donate some money and we can enter the amount we want to donate. Like if I want to donate 110 ringgit and enter some message I want. Okay, so in this donation we can press donate. So if there is not sufficient balance, they will show how many your wallet have. So there is not sufficient for 101. We only have 100 ringgit, but we want to donate 110 ringgit. So that is not sufficient. So you see, mm, in the code, yes, the show donation dialog. So we will clear all the thing first at the beginning. So we will allow the user, we will mention the user to enter the amount of the money. Here. If the amount is, they have not entered the amount, or the amount is less than the zero, so we will give the message, please enter a valid amount. If there is and insufficient balance, so they will let the user know how many the wallet is have the money, the balance, and so currently it's not sufficient. Maybe they can decrease their donation amount, maybe 50, and they donate. So we press the donate. Yes, they successfully donate, and thank you for the user kindness. Okay, so next we can go to the my donation. So in my donation, they will list out the history of the user donation. So you see, this is the latest one. The just now I donate. Okay, they will show donation to which pet and the description. This is the donation for the husky and the date which when the user is donate, and they will show out how many the amount the user is donate if there is the category of the money. If there is the food, they only have the donation to which pet and the description and the date. And one more, the user, the owner of the owner that post this pet, they is not allowed to adopt or donate to themselves. For example, I log out and I change to another account. Okay, I log in. So this account is the person who post uh this pet. So press the request to adopt. They will show you cannot adopt your own pet. Okay, so there is same also with the donation. When we press the donate, you cannot donate to your own pet because we are not allowed for the same person he post and he don't donate or adopt for the pet his post. Okay, so we go back for the account. Okay. Now we will go to the my profile, the user profile. Okay, so this is the user profile. They will show their image, the profile image, the user ID, the email, and the wallet balance, and their name and the phone number. So they can choose their profile image by enter their camera and the gallery. They can pick and can edit. But for now, I don't want to edit the profile picture. Maybe the user want to edit their username and name, so they want to change their name on Horan Tan, and they will maintain the phone number. So for the user ID and the email, that is not able to be changed. Okay, so we'll save change. If when we save change, the profile is updated successfully, and it also will update at the my drawer. So the Horan Tan is appear. And okay, same. For the profile image, the user can choose to open the camera or the gallery to pick the image, and in the Android application they can crop the image properly and fix into this circle. So this is the update profile function to update the profile. Include the name, phone number, and the picture. Okay. So this their alignment, the picture, the ID. Oh, this is the helper function, the read only. They enable the user only can read, but cannot be edit. Okay. So they also have in my profile. They also have the my wallet to top up the balance for the donation. Okay. So in a top up, this top up function. So when we press, they will show the top up dialog. Press. Okay. In the top up dialog, they will show. They will let the user to enter the amount they want to top up. Maybe I want to top up 100 ringgit. So I will press continue. They will go to the payment page that is powered by the playlist. So in this payment, you can see on the our back end. So when we press the continue, they will send the request to the back end, which getting the user getting the user information, and they will pass the API key and the collection ID to the playlist to the playlist beer list, sorry, to the beer list, and send all the information to the beer list for the further further process. After the playlist is successfully processed this the payment. Okay, so we open the payment and we process to pay. Proceed to pay. Okay, so the response will send to the payment update, and they will getting the user information, and if there is the successful payment. Okay, we press the successful payment, so they will show the receipt of the payment. So they will get this the information, the response from the playlist bill list, and they will check for the signature X signature to confirm that is the correct user and the correct person who get the bill, who get the payment. Yeah. So this is all the design of the receipt. So after they finish the payment, they can go back. So this one you can see the balance of the my wallet is increased. This all the payment, and for the payment and for the calculation of the my wallet, you can see on the class user, I will store the wallet balance in the send in int form, integer form. This is allowed for the correct calculation of the wallet balance to prevent the floating error in the calculation of the wallet balance. Yeah. So the balance is already increased. We can see in the database. Okay. In the database, okay, we refresh. Okay. We can see the username of the user is already changed, and the wallet balance also already increased. So for the adoption, we have stored the request from the request for of the adoption and the donation. This is the history of the donation that have stored who donate to which pet and what type of the donation and amount, followed by the description. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.